I think we're paragliding from 700 meters. I've never done it.
Is it the first time you are doing paragliding?
Yes.
Yes.
You release them when it's above your head, and then when you pull on this brake, the wind goes over to the side you're pulling the brake on.
The wing is coming here. You have to release because it's falling.
Okay.
Don't forget to release it. Yeah.
All right. Keep forward. Keep on walking. That's great. A bit more. Keep. Follow my move. Hands up a bit. Now down. And good job. Congratulations.
With good help, it's easier.
I'm a little bit scared, but I want to fly. I want to go there and jump.
Yeah, we can do acrobatics in the air, and that was totally new for me. I didn't know that was possible.
Have fun.
Thank you.
You have to run a lot.
Woo! We're in the air!
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Let's go. Now you run. That's perfect.
Woo! The view is amazing from here.
Love you, Mom and Dad.
It's the best thing ever. I want to do that every day.
Give me 5.
I just leave my feet off the ground and I flew away.
We almost turned upside down, or it felt like it.
I want to do this again for sure. I will try more exciting things, but I think that was very nice.